at the 2019 Cardinals winter warm-up. The place is packed, obviously. There's lots of fun things to do. Players, managers, alumni, like Mike Shannon, Mike Claiborne, all kinds of festivities. I mean, this place is jamming, great vibe, all kinds of memorabilia being sold. And neat things like Cardinals announcer John Rooney interviewing the such of guys like general manager Mike Gersh.
Molina putting all this information away about hitters and batters. Trying to put that together in today's game seems to be one of the most interesting challenges out there, is it?
Yeah, I think what differentiates teams, all the teams in baseball have access to the same information, the same data.
And all kinds of festivities and celebrities coming through the doors here at the 2019 winter warm-up. Well, the winter warm-up is obviously family friendly, and if you bring the kids along, you want to bring them to the kids zone, where they can come in here and jump around in all kinds of different apparatus, and they can work on their pitching and hitting skills. Let's take a look. What makes it fun to come to the winter warm-up?
I just like to get all the players' autographs.
So how long have you been playing baseball?
Probably about 3 years.
3 years now, huh? And what is it you like so much about baseball?
I like hitting and playing outfield and stuff.
You recommend, a lot of kids and people to come out to this event?
Yes, sir. It's a very fun one.
All right, what's your favorite part of the winter warm-up?
Just all the activities and meeting players.
Who's your favorite Cardinal player?
Matt Carpenter.
Hey! Right? I got it. It's winter warm-up 2019.